In front of me is DOOGEE Power 7, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner, and if you can't see it, hit this gear one instead and enable it by tapping on voice typing and clicking on this switcher next to use voice typing feature. When your switcher is green, go back and tap on now visible microphone. Then tap on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!